Morning students, today we will study about legumes, the economic importance of the legume. Legume are the second most important group of the food plant belonging to family Leguminosae. They form an important and indispensable part of our diet and are commonly known as pulses. The legume derive their name from the fruit legume or the pod borne by the plant. The fruit is simple, dry, dehiscent by suture and possess protein-rich edible seed with a hard seed coat and low water content. These quality enable them to store for a long period. The common pulses are bean, pea, soybean, gram, lentil, etc. Legume plants are cultivated all over the world, but Indian ham has the distinction of being the world's single largest producer of pulses. Legume plants are excellent for the crop rotation since they have high nitrogen content which on the death and decay are released into the soil, thereby adding to the soil fertility. A remarkable feature about legume is the association of nitrogenous fungi fixing bacteria known as the rhizobium in the root nodules of these plants. These bacteria fix the atmospheric nitrogen, they convert the nitrite into nitrate. These bacteria on their death release the nitrogenous compound into the soil, adding to the nitrogen content of the soil. Pulses are the valuable for their highly nutritious content. The seeds are rich in protein, carbohydrate, fats, vitamins and minerals and are important source of the dietary protein for the vegetarian population of India. The protein rich plant provide excellent green fodder and feed for the livestock. Recently, pulses have been adopted under the Special Food Production Program with the thrust on the selected crop and selected area for cultivation. The target of the mm, cultivation then we will study about the gram or the chickpea. The historical aspect chickpea is known as the Cicer ethereum in botany. In Hindi, it is known as chana and it belongs to family Leguminosae. Historical prospect the gram or the chickpea has been cultivated since the Roman era, who named it as Erebinothos. It is believed to be a native of Southeast Europe from where it is transported to Egypt. In India, gram are known during the Aryan Age and was called Chanaka. Morphological character Cicer aterium is a small herbaceous much branched annual plant attaining a height of about 2 feet or more. The branch bearing pinnately compound leaves and opposite to the leaf is borne a solitary pinkish white flower. The fruits of the pod contain two seeds which are roughly globular and slightly wrinkled. A special variety known as the Kabuli chana is a more commonly grown. Climate and the soil. Gram is the best suited to grow in the dry, cool climate. It is require low to moderate temperature and is adversely affected by heavy shower and frost. Gram require well drained, fairly light soil, mostly sandy loam. Cultivation. Gram is cultivated as a rabi crop. The land does not require much plowing or manuring and the seeds are hand sown about the beginning of October. Once the seed are sown, they do not require much care nor irrigation. By the month of February to March, the crop mature and it is ready for harvesting. The harvested plants are allowed to dry and then threshed by the bull feet. Uses. Due to high protein content, the seeds are of great economic importance. Some of them are as the split gram seeds are boiled and cooked as a dal. The seeds are ground and flour, known as the besan, and used in preparing various dishes. The grains are very strengthened and used to feed horses. Sap obtained from winnowing the seed is used for as a cattle feed. The green seed are eaten as a vegetable. Gram flour or besan is used by the diabetic patient as a substitute for the wheat flour. The green leaves yield malic and oxalic acid. Gram production in India. Gram is the most important pulses grown extensively in India. The major gram producing states in Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Bihar, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, gram account for nearly 45% of the total pulses output. Disease infesting gram. The common disease is the rust of gram, which is caused by the Euromyces ciceres arietini. It is characterized by the symptom such as the round or the oval cinnamon brown pustule on leaves and the stems and pods. Thank you.